Blizzard Bash is brought to you by Alaska Airlines, Ericsson Unlimited, Safeway, Dewey's Cook Inlet, and Humpies. Visit furrondy.net for details.
USA Federal Credit Union. And with every savings account, home, or auto loan, our members have grown their credit union stronger. Members who now live all over the world. And as they're going global, so are we. We are changing our name to Global Credit Union. A new name, but always Alaskan to our core.
Welcome to Papa Murphy's.
Can you tell me how I make my new double bacon cheddar pizza?
Crispy bacon, Canadian bacon with nacho cheddar cheese sauce. But we do all that.
But then I bake it.
Order the limited time double bacon cheddar pizza at papamurphys.com.
Shop at Continental Auto Group, where you'll find our entire inventory of new vehicles in stock, as well as new vehicles in transit. First, shop Continental's 6 dealerships at continentalautogroup.com. Subaru, Honda, Acura, Nissan, Mazda, and Volvo. Click to reserve and purchase your new vehicle. We're happy to arrange financing. We promise to never mark up your financing rate, and we don't tack on other market adjustment charges due to low inventory levels. Shop continentalautogroup.com.
Maximize fun and adventure when you minimize your life with a new car from Mini of Anchorage. These are no small offers. Interest rates may be going up, but not when you minimize. Lock in 3.99% APR financing for 60 months through Mini Financial Services, regardless of your credit score. Minimize your maintenance costs with 3 years, 36,000 miles of free scheduled maintenance. And minimize your car payment. Pay just $488 per month on the all-wheel drive 2023 Mini Countryman. Minimize today at Mini of Anchorage. Stop by the dealership at 800 East 5th Avenue or shop online at miniofanchorage.com. See dealer for stock. Countryman MSRP $39,355. Price after $500 customer cash, $1,056 dealer credit. Sale price $37,799. Blue $9,445. Financing based on $3,800 down, 600 payments of $488 at 3.99% APR. Approved credit. Price plus tax, title, and license. Prices include $200 dealer doc fee. Offer expires 2/28/24.
Every day in Bristol Bay, our native values guide us. With a shared vision for the future of the region, the roads we travel, the salmon that sustain us, the waters that feed us, and the traditions that connect us. And we continue to imagine the future as healthy, prosperous, and driven by native values. Because at Bristol Bay Native Corporation, we are always more than a corporation.
The Anchorage School District is offering competitive incentives for certain new hires. Some positions qualify for sign bonuses up to $2,500, professional development programs, and summers off for all school-based positions. Apply today at asdk12.org.
Let's be real. Mopping is a hassle. You have to fill the bucket, pushing a wet, heavy mop around, then cleaning the mop when you're done so it doesn't grow bacteria. A hassle on top of a hassle. Try Swiffer Wet Jet. With Swiffer Wet Jet, you start with a fresh pad and cleaning solution every time. And when you're done, you just toss the pad. Swiffer Wet Jet. The faster, easier, cleaner way to clean your floors.
I'm Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. I learned about atrial fibrillation the hard way. My symptoms would come and go. Shortness of breath, fatigue. I kept going. Then I got so lightheaded, I couldn't. My doctor said I have AFib, so I'm about 5 times more likely to have a stroke. Other symptoms, irregular heartbeat, heart racing, chest pain can come and go, but the risk of stroke stays. If you have symptoms, tell a doctor. Visit notimetowait.com.
Sponsored by Bristol Myers Squibb and Pfizer.
When you're an innovative business, every blinking cursor, every blank page is an opportunity. What will you do with it? Will you make something better or create something new? Our Dell Technologies advisors provide you with tools and expertise to do incredible things.
be dangerously easy to steal your identity during tax season because so much sensitive info is all together.
Before we start the annual meeting of Sean's personal info, has anyone seen Social Security number?
Not me.
Nope. Oh no. He's been stolen.
LifeLock by Norton makes it easy to help protect yourself. If you become a victim, we'll work to fix it. No one can monitor all transactions, but you can save up to 25% off your first year with promo code NEWS at LifeLock.com. Identity theft protection starts here.
Weather is brought to you by Johnson and Associates. Man, it was crazy driving today. It looks like that might continue as far as snow goes and affecting our driving. We're expecting snow after midnight with low getting down to about 17. More gusty winds on the hillside and here in town. Snow, maybe 2 to 3 inches tomorrow with highs in the 20s. We're looking for a chance of snow Wednesday night and mostly cloudy with a chance of snow on Thursdays. We're looking for a high in the low to mid-20s.
Playing nothing but the best of the new stuff.
New music.